to the Dram Diaries. I'm Chanel, this is Peter, and we're doing another...
Double Dram Blind.
Yeah.
Oh, I love these. These are probably one of my favorite things to do.
Same.
Especially with you.
Thanks, love.
Like, I do them sometimes,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
when you're not available, but this is so much funner with another person, especially your wonderful wife.
Thanks, love.
Okay. We're going to let you know what we think of these. We really have no idea what they are, but we'll let you know what we would like to pay for them, or if we would want to actually purchase a bottle. So, nose A.
Let's do it.
I'm getting cherry spice.
Ooh, I was getting like apple and caramel corn.
Okay, I can see apple. Yeah, I could see that. I wonder if it's the other one that, like, as soon as you poured these, like, I was getting wafts of cherry. Like,
gosh,
that's enjoyable.
That's so nice. Okay.
Okay, B.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
That is very berry.
That
to me is cherry cola. Wow.
It's like strawberry almost. Man.
That's so berry.
Okay, the nose is good on A, but compared to this one...
Yeah, I'm going to sip A first.
Yeah, I agree. The nose is still good on A, though. Like, I don't think either one of these is a slouch, just based off what they smell like.
Wow, A is pretty mild. It's pretty mild to me.
Yeah.
It's good, but...
I was off what it smelled like, the nose. I thought it would have more sweetness initially, but...
So did I.
I'm getting that, like, almost green...
Yeah.
Like...
Wow.
I don't know, like a bitter vegetal on the
finish. And
That's
now
crazy.
after I'm sipping it and I go to nose it again, I get a different nose.
Yeah. No, you still have the same nose.
Very funny.
But.
Wow, interesting. Okay. I get like you said, like vegetal, like, but I'm also getting kind of a butter popcorn, and
it has some nice cinnamon on the finish, though. Like it's a decent bourbon. Like it isn't bad, but I was expecting more sweetness, I guess.
I feel like I remember this one.
Yeah. Interesting.
Okay, I'm going
All right,
for B.
let's go for B.
That nose is just wonderful. Let's see. Yummy.
Again, not
yummy.
Okay, here it comes. This thing builds. This thing takes a little bit.
Gosh, that's pretty yummy.
It's like cinnamon cherries on the finish.
Yeah.
It also, I expected more sweetness initially.
Right, and it almost has more tea tannin than sweetness.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It is.
Like a tea tannin, but there is cherry, there's a little bit of spice, but not... The spice isn't what's hitting you. It's not what's forward.
No.
But it's there.
This is weird. Like, almost like an oak bark.
Yeah.
I don't know why, like...
Yeah.
I always talk about cutting trees down when I was younger. Well, like, we used to heat with wood.
Gosh.
Man, I don't... It's good. I enjoy them both.
I'm thinking B.
I prefer, something that tastes older, has more oak spice,
and
a better finish. This is more complex with a better finish.
Yeah.
I guess off the nose on both of them, I was expecting more sweetness than what I got.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, what would you want to pay for A? Or would you buy a bottle?
I wouldn't buy a bottle probably, and I wouldn't know where to put that.
$50.
Someone probably would enjoy that. It's not my thing.
No,
but
yeah.
Someone would probably pay, like you said, $50 for that.
I would pay $50 for it. Now, what about B?
B, I really like. I could see paying like $50, $55, maybe even $60 for B.
I'm thinking,
I really like that.
I'm in the $60, $65 range for B.
Yeah.
because it tastes older.
It
It just tastes more complex. Like the finish builds and it lasts, and it's more than one note spice. Okay, well, A, here you go. A was the loser.
All right, let's
What we
see.
got?
4 Roses, single barrel, 100 proof, $50.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that's like the original single barrel, not the new ones that came out.
Oh,
like the
right.
3 new, that's the original. Okay, then what is this? Knob Creek 12-year, 100 proof. That's so weird. 70, well, I paid 70 for this bottle. Now I pay like 55 a bottle, but
Yeah.
crazy. Okay, I can see that good oak spice. That's so interesting that I had like cherry in my mind,
Yeah,
or
me
fruit,
too.
and so I got it on the finish, and I never get that when I know what I'm sipping.
Right.
Interesting. The tricks our brains play on us. Okay, well, there you go, man. Knob Creek 12-year, it is one of my favorite, I'm going to say, like, readily available bourbons.
Yeah.
Okay, well, there we go.
Awesome.
Till next time. These are smelling so stinking yummy.
Yeah.
Like,
Do I look terrible right now?
no, love,
You sure?
love. This is what I don't get. You're always worried about looking bad, and you're so gorgeous.
Sometimes
Like,
I
you don't
feel,
wear makeup. You have like, oh, I know you put a little bit of mascara on, but come on.
I feel like I look like Smeagol right now.
Smeagol from Lord of the Rings? No, love. Bilbo Baggins, maybe, but Smeagol, no. I'm just
So
kidding.
mean.
I'm kidding. Come
It's so mean. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, all right. Great.
on. Love, come on. You're gorgeous. You know I don't lie. Right?
Mhm.
I don't say things to make people feel better.
That's for sure.
Okay.
kidding.
Well,
Okay.
all right. I like honesty and integrity. Okay. You ready?
Ready. I'm going to introduce this time.
Do it.
It's my turn.
It is your turn.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Just kidding. I made myself nervous. Psych. No, I did.
No, come on.
Okay,
You
I'll
got
do
it.
Okay, let me clear
What
my
if
throat,
What
though.
if I tickle you? Okay.
What if I tickle you and you too?
I probably will fart if you tickle me. So,
Okay. Well,
that'll be
let's
on
not
you.
do that. Let's
Okay.
not do that then.
All right.